Wait, this was created in second using AI. No design skill, no complicated tools, just Google Gemini Nano Banana Pro. In this video, I will show you how to create perfect infographic and clean sketchnote using AI step by step. First, visit Google Gemini and type this prompt. Now replace the topic and target audience with your own. Then select thinking and click the submit button. Once you do that, Gemini will generate the content for you. Now it's time to turn the content into infographic. For that, type this prompt. Then add the target audience and choose your aspect ratio. For portrait mode, use 9:16 and for landscape, use 16:9. Once your prompt is ready, select create image and click the submit button. Alright, here it is. Gemini has just turned our content into a clean infographic. You can see it organized the information into clear sections and added visual elements to make it easier to understand. To download the infographic, just click on the download button and you will get the infographic. Alright, now we have created the infographics, but Gemini can also generate something more creative and visually engaging, that is called Sketchnotes. So let's create one. Click on the new chat and type this prompt. Now replace the topic and target audience with your own. Now give the aspect ratio. Once your prompt is ready, select create image and click the submit button. And there you go. Gemini will generate a sketchnote style visual that explains the topic using simple drawing, arrows and visual connection. And that's how you can create perfect infographic and powerful sketchnote in second using Nano Banana Pro. If you found this helpful, then hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. If you want to discover more powerful AI tool like this, then check out this playlist. I have pinned the links in the comment box.